Exciting news! TrashFlow has several powerful new features designed to make your driver's days easier and your routes more efficient. Today, I'll walk you through 5 major updates to TeleRoute that improve communication, visibility, and route management. We'll cover multi-driver route tracking, driver-to-driver messaging, last pickup date display, one-time stop indicators, and new customer highlights. Let me show you what's new and how these features help your operation run smoother. First up, multi-driver routes. If you've ever had multiple drivers running the same route, you know the challenge. Nobody knows what the other driver has already done. Not anymore. TeleRoute now updates approximately every minute, syncing activity between all drivers on the same route. When one driver completes a stop, it updates on everyone else's tablet automatically. This is perfect for haulers who split routes between drivers or have early finishers jump in to help their teammates. Next, let's talk about TeleRoute's messaging improvements. Previously, drivers could only message the office staff, which meant playing telephone when drivers needed to communicate. Now, drivers can message each other directly within TeleRoute. When composing a message, drivers simply choose whether to send to the office or to any other logged-in driver. This eliminates the need for personal phones, outside applications, or relaying messages through dispatch. Our third feature is Display Last Pickup Date. Have you ever wondered when a customer was last serviced? Your drivers can now see this information right on their tablets. When uploading routes, you'll find a new checkbox to include the last pickup date for each stop. Once enabled, drivers see exactly when that customer was previously picked up. This is especially helpful for non-regular schedule customers, or when you need to verify service history on the fly. No more running activity reports for single customers. The information is right there on the route. Feature number 4, one-time stop indicators. Drivers used to get confused when stop numbers seemed to skip. Where did stop 47 go? The answer was often a one-time or on-call stop that wasn't scheduled for that day. Now, instead of hiding these stops entirely, TeleRoute displays them on the tablet and includes the scheduled date on the route sheets. This simple change helps drivers understand their route sequence and eliminates questions about missing stop numbers. Finally, we have new and changed customer display. Your printed route sheets have always highlighted new and changed customers at the top. Now, TeleRoute does the same thing. When uploading routes, there is an option to show recent customer changes at the top of each route on the tablet, just like the paper version. This ensures your drivers see route modifications without needing a phone call or special instructions. Here's a tip. Take advantage of these features during your route uploads. The checkboxes for last pickup dates and new customer highlights are simple toggles that can save your drivers time throughout the day. If you have questions about enabling any of these features, or you need help with configuration, give us a call at 800-708-8642. Our team is here to make sure you get the most out of these updates. TrashFlow, saving haulers time since 1989.